oh, this bag is stunning. And my husband was like, oh, I'm gonna steal this bag from you because it's really pretty. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you my honest review about this big boy here, the Saint Laurent Rive Gauche TOTE. Yeah, a little bit of French. It's always welcome. So, I'm sure you have seen this bag on Instagram this summer, but the beige version. And yeah, it was a big like, whoa, this is like the summer bag that everybody needed to have. And yeah, I bought it. So what I want to do is tell you if this is a trendy bag, this is a timeless bag, if you need it, or if you can just save $1,000 and buy something better. So let's jump into it. I think on YouTube for the moment there is about 3 to 4 reviews about this bag, and all the YouTubers bought it as a travel bag. I think there is like 3 videos about the beige version and 1 about the black version. So yeah, about having this bag as a travel bag, do I recommend? Yes. I'm not traveling for the moment, but I think it's a really practical bag. It's like, it's it's a tote. It's a big hole, so you can just throw your stuff inside, put on your bag, and then go. So yeah, I do recommend as a travel bag. But in my case, as I am a student, I bought it to go to school. And I was like, okay, you don't need a new tote bag, but let's give a try to this one. Before I even bought the bag, I had a few problems with it because I didn't know which color I should get, the beige one or the black one. I've seen the beige one, like my Instagram feed was like full of beige, Saint-Tropez, Cannes, New York, Paris. The bag was absolutely amazing, and I was like, oh my god, I need this bag in beige. It's stunning, I love it. I just decided to buy the black one because I'm like, I can use it to go to school, I can use it to go to gym. Comme si j'allais à la gym en plus. But yeah, I was like, you better choose the black one. I use this bag to go to school. It's been a month and I cannot live without it. I'm just in love. This is a really practical bag. You put everything inside and you're just ready to go. Before I always had a little flap, and then my computer bag, and then my food bag, and then my water, and I was like, full of bags. Like my arms were like this because I always had a lot of stuff with me, and I don't have this problem anymore because I just throw everything inside and I'm ready to go. My opinion is I really recommend getting the black one. I think you can wear it, and the whole year. It's not like really summery as the beige is. And the beige, I got it, and when I opened the dust bag, I was like, what the hell is that? Because when I saw the pictures on Instagram, for example, the bag was like super pretty, super beige, etc. And in real life, you have a kind of gray spots inside the beige, like mixed with the beige. And I don't know, for me, it was really like ugly. I didn't like it. I rechecked the pictures on Instagram and I was like, oh, I really like it. But in real life, I was like, no, duh, I don't like it. So it's up to you to go for the beige, to go for the black one. It's up to you, but seriously, the beige is really like a summer bag. I don't think you can wear it during the winter. And especially I think the big problem about the beige one is this thing can get dirty super easily. Because this one here, if you don't pay attention and your hands are dirty with a little bit of makeup or whatever, and you touch it, the stain will stay. But it's really like easy to clean, so that's fine. But the beige one, I'm not sure it's gonna be as easy to clean as the black one. So yeah, I think that's the main reasons why I didn't buy the beige one. Too big, too summery, gets dirty easily, and yeah. So I would recommend this bag if you are a student, if you travel, if you go to gym, if you need a tote for whatever you want to do with it. And especially because, okay, this is a canvas fabric tote, but you can, I mean, $1,000, it's not a lot of money because you have the Dior book tote that cost around 2,000 something. You have the Celine tote that cost 2,000 something. You have what else? Well, you have the Louis Vuitton. You can have like a Louis Vuitton tote. I don't remember the name right now, but it's almost 2,000, and I think 1,000 for this one is a really good price. I know I will take care about it. I know it's gonna last. So, to give you a little preview of what I have inside, I have like my big MacBook Pro 15 inches. Then, I will have my Louis Vuitton GM agenda. Then I will have, you know, some pouches, like, you know, a little like handbag essentials, some snacks. Yeah, I have so many things inside. I even have like some salts for my food, wallet, etc. So yeah, you see there's a lot of things inside. So before we finish this video, I would like to try something new and teach you a little bit of French. Of course, we are in a fashion channel, so let's try to learn how to say Saint Laurent Rive Gauche in French with this French accent. So repeat after me. Let's start with Saint Laurent. Repeat after me. Saint, just open like your lips. Saint, Saint, l'eau, just like l'eau, and it's like a O, like l'eau, rang, rang. The rang part, it's really difficult because you need to make it roll and it comes like from deep inside. But just try to repeat after me. L'eau, rang, l'eau, rang, like it's not sexy, but it works. So let's do it all together. Saint Laurent. This is like, what the hell? Once again. Saint Laurent. Like you wanna blow like on someone. So let's repeat it again. Like Saint Laurent. Like you're sleeping. Saint Laurent. And now the rive gauche part. Ri. Repeat after me. Rive. Go, like the goat cheese. Gauche. You make like gauche. Let's say it all together. Rive gauche. Saint-Laurent, rive gauche. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little French part and I could teach you something new today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bells, and yeah, join the family because there is a lot of crazy and nice reviews coming soon. So thank you for watching and I see you soon. Bye!